In this video, we're going to learn about custom instructions for Copilot. So far, we made changes to existing code bases. But what if we wanted to create something from scratch? We can do that with an instructions.md file. You can even use an instructions.txt file if you would like. So this is a declaration of something I want to build. It's a to-do list web app. Build a simple to-do list web application that allows users to manage their tasks. I've specified some requirements. Users can add new tasks, view existing tasks, delete tasks. Use the browser's local storage to persist tasks. The application should be responsive and user-friendly. Use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No backend, no external APIs, and all data should be stored in the browser's local storage. So these instructions are kind of detailed because we specify what we want in general. We have some requirements for what a user needs to be able to do. It needs to have some sense of where to store things, like in this case, the local storage, which is actually just a little tiny database in your browser. The application should be responsive, user-friendly, and it should use only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So these are things that don't need like a special server to run, but just can be just exposed in your browser. Drag it into our agent, and we ask him to create the web app as specified in the instructions. And we just hit enter. It seems that the necessary files for implementing this web app are not present. I will create them for you and implement the web app as specified in the instructions. So he just starts creating them and it's already done. So what did he do? He created an index.html file for me. Okay. He created a script.js file for me. All right, seems good. And he also created a styles.css. Okay, this is interesting. I'm gonna say keep. All right, so I kept all the files and then I just spin up my server. I click go live. So here's a to-do list web app, it seems. I'm gonna type learn Copilot and VS Code as a task, and I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna do a refresh. It seems to have stored it in its database.